this or just usually when you have Don't worry about the wipers. Leave them alone. Oh, beautiful.
No one in the car, on my own. Okay. He's literally just put the guns back up.
Alright, that'll do.
Look, you're so cute putting your indicators on. You're such a good boy.
I don't want anyone to get confused.
With
I
what
think
you
I
do.
know what I'm doing. I thought I was getting the hang of it. No, I started it.
You!